Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks, and I have a little addition to my hobby order because I thought I'd got it all, but looks like not. So if you can remember, I'd previously got the Malaga, which was the sparkly pink, very pretty Malaga, and I got this lovely beautiful colour pack with all these pastels in the Malaga. I do love the Malaga, and I've got a couple, oh dear, hang on, I've got a bit, just didn't want that landing in my tea, and I got a couple of these Black Friday cakes. So I did think at the time, thought I'd ordered more than that, and sorry about that, I did think I'd ordered more than that, and then I started to think, well, maybe I took it all out of my basket, like you do, you know, you put stuff in the basket, you take stuff out the basket. You put stuff in the basket, you think, oh, I spent too much, and you take some out the basket. So here it is. This is the one that I ordered initially with the Black Friday cotton cakes. And that's why I was surprised to see the other one, because although I really liked this, and I ordered this one, was my last one, you know, the lovely colours, this one just kind of caught my eye. Whoa. Look at that. That is a bit on the special side, isn't it? Woof. Amazing. So yeah, that's the one I ordered. It's 100% cotton, limited edition. And, oh, can I read this? Where's my thingy? It's here somewhere. Don't really want a landslide, so I thought I saw it at the back here. There we go. Feel like a surgeon. Right, here we go. Let's see what we can see. Oh, hold that as well. Upside down. Always upside down. Okay, so it is 200 grams, 800 meters, 874 yards. Name anywhere? 4 weight. Is it 4? No, surely. 2, sorry. 2 weight. Gorgeousness. Whoa. Really love this. I can't find the name. Should be here somewhere. Did I just turn it upside down again? No, it's upside down wherever I go. It just says limited edition. Oh, here we are. Colour 8. Well, that's imaginatively titled, isn't it? So, it's the same as the other one I showed you before. But this one is just wow. And I did get 2 of them. So just look at that. Isn't it just amazing? All those colours in there. Just fabulous. I had to have it. As soon as I saw that, I had to have it. Now what's this? It's, I don't know. Oh, it's a free little stitch counter that they sent me, or row counter. It kind of looks like a little tiny watch. Can you see that? There's a strap thingy. Yep. I don't really, that was a gift. I don't know, and this I ordered as well. Look at that. This is so soft. Wow. Now this is Tweed Dreams by Hobbii. And the colour is number 8. I thought the other one said number 8. That's weird. How strange is that? And we have 50 gram balls are 100 meters, 109 yards. And do I, oh, it doesn't really have a colour name, does it? Just number 8. But isn't it beautiful? It's kind of like a, would you say teal or just turquoise? But with this fleck, and it's just ridiculously soft. Ridiculously soft. Hang on. I need the light again now. Sorry about that. 100% acrylic. Now I'm surprised because I thought that seemed like at least premium acrylic. But wow, that is so soft. And designed in Denmark. Made with love in Turkey. So it's beautiful, and it is a 3 weight. I thought that seemed like a 4, but no, I suppose it is. Does seem quite a thick 3, but I got 1, 2, 3, 5 to put them down, I think. And 4, 5. I thought I would have got 6, but I've got another one of those. So I've got 3 of these, and I don't know if that's just another sweetie. Gary at the last one, you can have that one. And my scrunched up piece of paper. So that's it. That's all that's in this one. But wow, I love this. Isn't it just wild? Really. I've got to find something particularly wild for this yarn, because it's just so bright. I don't know, maybe a bag. It's just so big though. I've got 3 of them. Make everybody a bag, a whole family. But I love them. I can't, my hands are too small to pick any more up, but I love them. Look at that. Wow, they're just beautiful, aren't they? So I think all in all, my hobby order was lovely, because I got 2 of these ones and they're just gorgeous. Look how lovely and beautiful and subtle those colours are. This reflects both sides of my personality, doesn't it? Subtle and nice, crazy and wild. So yeah, that's my two my 2 alter egos, I guess. And this is just beautiful. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to figure out something to make with it, because it's just gorgeous and it's so soft. This Malaga, if you haven't tried this Malaga yarn before, then I urge you to, because it's just beautiful. I've got quite a lot of it now, and I do need to get started on it. Now I have survived COVID, I can start on something. So I hope you enjoyed my little second part of my yarn order. It's actually a bit of a surprise, because, you know, I just thought, oh well, I must have took everything out of the basket like I do so many times over, and to save the money, and just put those bits in, but obviously not. So extra smiles. Thank you for watching, and what would you make with that? Tell me if you have any suggestions what you would do with something quite so vivid, because every colour is just extremely vivid, apart from that dark centre, which I think sets it off like no end, really. It kind of, that contrast, and likewise the end where it goes dark, but all those in between, just crazy colours. What would you make with that? It's a 2-weight, so it doesn't feel ridiculously thin when you look at it, because, well, it's kind of lots and lots of strands. I suppose it is thin, yeah, definitely is thin. It's 2-weight, but I haven't used anything like that for a long time, and I could always double them up now. I know I have 4 of these. Did I say 4 or 3? 3. There's definitely enough to double it if I wanted to. Oh, so what do you think? What shall I make with that? And wow, I just love this. So soft. Just thought I'd give it a try, this Tweed Dreams. Not had that one before. Tweed Dreams by Hobbii. Wow. Thank you so much. Bye for now, everyone. Take care and stay safe. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.